Kennel 212, no card. Matted poodle. Come on, get treats.
He's matted, alright. He'll get up for that treat.
Yeah, at least he's getting the treat. I see you. Shh. Want another one? Come on. He's up. He's up. Let's see. Can I see if you're a girl or a boy? And I think you might be a girl. Come here. Here. There you go. Come on. Oh no. Come on. Come on. Come on. Here. There you go. Look at that. You need to be shaved, huh? It's okay. I don't give you too much. Oh, it's okay. It's okay. You're jumpy, huh? It's okay. Here. It's okay. It's okay.